Hi, my name is Anays Ayala, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. This is a new thing that it's summer, I'm not really doing anything other than working at Dunkin'. I am a 20-year-old music therapy major, a junior, at Loyola University, New Orleans. Now today I am going to be reviewing the Dream Urban cover by Maybelline. I have not watched any videos on it, haven't seen any other influencers review it, talk about it. I haven't seen it. I do know that Jeffree Star bought it while he was in London, I think. I haven't tried it, and the only thing that I have a concern about is on the directions, because it says it's a full coverage protective makeup sunscreen. Now, a sunscreen, it says makeup, so it makes you think foundation, but then it says sunscreen. It even says reapply at least every 2 hours. So it probably doesn't look good like putting makeup on top of it. I have no clue, but we are going to try it out today. So the first step that we gotta do, hydrate or dehydrate your skin, okay? Not only must you drink water. Ooh, I put a lot on my hands. Okay, so something about my skin is that I have dry skin, and I'm normal to dry skin, so I'm not oily at all. Sometimes I get dry, flaky patches, it happens. I know that you might be thinking okay, her lips are crusty. No, that's a lip scrub, I promise you. Just exfoliating my lips, because why? Hydrate. You got it. Gotta put this hair back. Literally forgot this step. Beautiful, right? After you've done that, it's time to prime. And I will be using the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. It shook over the internet when it came out. Everyone was talking about how it was a dupe for Tatcha, and basically that's what it is. I like to put a lot so I don't miss any spots on my skin, especially my nose. I always seem to miss this part and this part right here. So we just gotta apply that all over the skin. But honestly, if you're not like me, a little goes a very long way, honestly. That is totally fine. Do I look poreless yet? I am kind of scared for this, honestly, because I don't know how it's gonna... It's sunscreen, typically I use the Maybelline Fit Me Smooth, the Dior Body... I honestly forgot what the exact name is. But I use that one. I use Becca, the 24 Ultimate Coverage Foundation. That's foundation, not makeup sunscreen. It's different. It is very different. On this side of my face, I'm gonna use my fingers. And on this side of my face, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I'm scared for this. I'm scared. I'm gonna put some right here where, honestly, I don't even know how much to use, because it doesn't say how much other than reapply every 2 hours. Oh, it definitely smells like sunscreen. Oh, yeah. That is sunscreen. Oh, yeah. But you can see on this side of my face that it's really dewy and really cute. This is the shade 120 Classic Ivory. All right, and now fingers. Oh, I forgot my nose. Oh, I don't like doing this. No, I don't. I don't like, I don't like the finger part of that. I'm probably gonna go back with the beauty blender, because this feels a little gross. And it doesn't even look nice. You can see my little finger. And make sure when you're blending, you blend all the way down to your neck. You do not want your face looking a whole different color than your neck. Okay, that's not cute. That's not cute. Because this is a sunscreen, typically I set my concealer, when I get to that in a second, I set my concealer with setting powder. I am a powder kind of person. I don't really like powder finishes, but I mean, when baking, I use powder. I'm not going to be setting with powder today. I will be setting with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. And I will be doing check-ins today, like throughout the day. You know, like I'll probably have this on me because you have to reapply. But what happens if you don't reapply? We will find out. So I'll just be like carrying these with me today. I'm mostly gonna be in the house, going out for like literally 2 hours and then come back, reapply, and stay home pretty much all day and see how it does. I'm not gonna put too much like other makeup on my face other than like do my eyebrows and my like eyelashes a little bit, put a little gloss on, and head out the door. So let's use some concealer. We are in a like Maybelline mood today, so we might use that. The Master Conceal by Maybelline. I use the shade Light. Honestly, this is kind of a thick concealer if I'm being honest with you. But it's really full coverage, looks very nice. And then we are going to blend this out. And after I do that, I will set my face with my setting spray. And I will go on with my day and be checking you guys in. I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, that's a lot. I like to be set in place. So far, my skin it doesn't feel lightweight. Honestly, I don't think I would be able to tell you that, yeah, I can feel this foundation sunscreen on my skin because I kind of don't unless I'm thinking about it. Over the day, hopefully, that'll go away, that I won't really feel it. Right now, it should be like 10 a.m. So I'll check back in at 12. I think I'll be out at that time. So I will do a little check-in, come back, 2, 4, 6, 8. I'll probably take this stuff off, honestly. Looking up close into the mirror, my skin looks a little not poreless, even though I did use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. I know from there I look good, but from over here, real up close, I'm not sure if I could be able to like show you. Let's put a little more light in here. I still look like really nice. Like it looks very, very nice, like in the camera, but I'm looking in real life. I'll take some pictures, but I'll update you guys. So thank you for joining me. Okay, finished face update, but lashes on, a little bit of eyebrows. Loving the face right now. Like it looks really, I don't want to say matte, but also not dewy. So I guess very natural looking, smooth. Up close, you can definitely see my imperfections, but that's totally fine, you know. Alright, so this is 2:30 p.m. because 2 p.m. went by me really fast. But honestly, pores are starting to come out. Again, you know, this is sunscreen. Ooh, that looks rough. It's, you know, full coverage. Not necessarily a foundation. I feel like maybe like wearing this to the beach, that's a challenge. Like literally out in the hot sun all day. How does this play out, I guess? How does this, I don't know. All right, almost 4 o'clock. I ended up reapplying some in this area because of the whole orange color corrector thing. I look really brown, honestly. I do not think the Classic Ivory was my shade this time. Either that or I haven't been tanning as much. Well, honestly, it's probably a great foundation like match, except I just didn't use as much concealer in my regular concealer that I usually use for my typical foundation typical makeup routine. So hopefully you can't see the orange as much. Alright, well, end of day has come around. It's only 5 p.m. but I have to wake up early tomorrow. But skin looks very pretty. Like, it looks very, very pretty. The only thing is that this foundation feels very heavy after the day has almost come to an end. Like, let's say I had a beach party to go to foundation, okay? That would be really cool to wear. This Dream Urban cover by Maybelline, I would rate it a 6.2 out of 10 because of the heaviness. It doesn't feel lightweight afterwards, like after the day has gone by. I'm thinking next video will be skincare routine. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see a skincare routine, my skincare routine for dry skin, normal skin, normal dry skin. Let me know. Thank you guys for watching.